In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel NordVPN auto-renewal. If you're looking to stop future charges while keeping your current service active until it expires, turning off auto-renewal is the right move. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what each screen means, and share a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your browser and head to the NordVPN website, then log into your Nord account at my.nordaccount.com. Use the email and password associated with your subscription. For security, you might be asked to verify your identity, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the sidebar and click on Billing. This is where NordVPN keeps all your payment details, invoices, and active plans. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right account can save confusion later, especially if you've used multiple emails in the past. Inside Billing, find the Subscriptions tab. This tab shows your active plan and renewal settings. Next to the auto renewal option, click Manage. This opens the controls for turning auto renewal on or off. You're not canceling your current service, you're simply preventing it from renewing automatically at the end of the term. Now, click Cancel Auto Renewal. A short set of prompts will appear, usually asking you to confirm your choice. Read them carefully so you understand that your plan remains active until it reaches its expiration date, but it won't renew afterward. Confirm your selection to finalize the change. Once you complete the confirmation, your status will update on the screen to show that auto-renewal is off. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Keeping that email for your records is a good idea. A few closing notes to keep things clear. Turning off auto-renewal won't interrupt your service today. You'll keep full access until the current billing period ends. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same area and re-enable auto-renewal or renew manually. If you have multiple Nord products, make sure you're managing the correct subscription, as each plan can have its own auto-renewal setting. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the NordVPN auto-renewal, avoided future automatic charges, and kept your current plan active until it expires. Thanks for watching, and take care.